Hello, everybody. Assalamu alaikum and good morning to you all. And as you can see, I am back again in a different place. So, actually, I am in village now. That's why you can see the different place. So, actually, today I wanna share my village nature. Actually, how it's looking. So, it's a very nice place. As you can see, it's a paddy field. So, as you can see, it's a nice place, and the today's weather is foggy, as you can see. So anyways, and I'm just walking on barefoot, and I hope it's very helpful for our body, for our health actually. Okay, some of you actually wanted to know from me actually how to practice spoken English and how to learn English alone. In this today's lesson, I'm just gonna talking about actually how to practice is your spoken English without any partner. So let's get started. Actually, at first you have to select a place where you want to practice your spoken English. So what you have to select a beautiful place, and you have to where you want to actually practice your spoken English. Then you have to try to deliver your speech, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to say. Actually, you just keep your practicing. I know at first, at the beginning, you will do a lots of mistake, but it doesn't matter. Don't give up. You just keep practicing to improve yourself. So after a few days, you will see the progress of yourself actually. That is the thing. And another thing is, you will take your cell phone and open your actually camera, and then try to speak your own words, whatever you want to do, whatever you want to say, like your hobbies, your favorite colors, your favorite teacher, your favorite place, whatever. You just explain in English. But one thing, keep in mind, at first, at the beginning, you will do a lots of mistake. It doesn't matter. Just keep practicing, and just some days actually, some days you will see your progress. I promise. Actually, that is the thing. So these two things you have to do, or you can do, to improve your spoken English. So keep in mind, two things you do to improve your spoken English. So that is the thing that I want to share with you. It's a beautiful place, as you can see. Oh, I am feeling better. So that is the thing. Okay, just keep practicing, and just without any partner. Don't excuse that I have no any partner, I have no any friends. It doesn't matter. So you just keep practicing. Okay, just like me, I'm just practically showing that how to practice actually yourself. So that is the thing, as you can see. So if you want to improve your spoken English, I hope you will do this thing. So that's all about for today, and I will come up with a new lesson. সবাই ভালো থাকবেন, সুস্থ থাকবেন, until then, আল্লাহ হাফেজ।